guys, Damon here from DecoExchange. So a lot of people have been asking us for kits that are a little bit lower priced so that you guys can make stuff with us. So today I listed a few kits that were, I don't know, less than 40 bucks. But in order for me to keep the cost of the kits down, I did have to pre-cut some of the ribbon for you. So instead of sending you a whole $16 roll of ribbon, which would have made the kit $55, we were able to send just a piece of ribbon that was $2 or $3. All right, so I called these Easy Mother's Day wreaths. You guys, it's like Mr. Wilson backwards. You just guys get the lower half. So y'all, we're gonna make our bow first. First, I'm just gonna take my fingers and just kind of pull this ribbon all the way up and down, just to make sure that it's not kinked up from being rolled up. Let's start with about a 12-inch tail. We're gonna go about 5.5 inches. Y'all, and we're just gonna make loops until we almost run out of ribbon, right? We just need enough to do a tail. Whoop, that's all we get, y'all, is 3 loops on each side. The pipe cleaner was holding the ribbon together. Little simple bow. Now we're gonna look at our grapevine. So y'all, I'm looking to see if any of my sides of my wreath are a little bit uglier than the other. I'm gonna go right here. So let's cover this side up. All right, our bow is gonna go about halfway in the middle. So we're gonna take these. So see how this is easily split into 3? We're just gonna cut out that middle one. All right, then we're gonna trim this one down a bit. All right, this one, these we're gonna just trim all off of the stem. Y'all, now we're just going to angle this one into our grapevine right behind the bow. All right. Y'all, and then the tip that we cut off, we're gonna add up here right above that one to give a nice, really full look at the top. Let's get these glued in. Same thing at the bottom, right underneath our bow. Now, y'all, the most important thing on your grapevines, see how whenever you're looking at it at an angle, that these stems, y'all, your stem is not supposed to be flat smashed against your wreath. If you're gonna add this into your wreath, you need to put it in there like this, and then have it coming off. See how I can put my hand between the wreath and the greenery? All right, this last piece we're gonna add down here to give it a little bit more lift. All right, on our tails, all right, now we're gonna go in with our greenery that we cut up. And just fill in right in here. just to give it a little bit more depth and dimension. All right, so I'm gonna put, so there was 7 total on that stem. So I'm gonna put 4 at the top and 3 at the bottom. Here is the cute, simple little yellow Mother's Day wreath. This wreath is for sale in our Etsy shop right now. It's the one that says made on Facebook Live, yellow. All right, so don't forget, guys, if you're not in the creative coaching class yet, it is Damon's Creative Coaching. Tonight is the last night that you can join us for $12.50, and then it goes back to full price. All right. So if you guys are in the class, I will see y'all at 8:30 Central Standard Time. All right. I have 15 minutes. I'm gonna go pick out another project. Bye, y'all.